Alright, here we've got my toll booth circuit. On the left side we got my switches. So keystroke O is going to turn on my opening motor. C will turn on my closing motor. The T button is when the switch for my top limit. And the B button is for my bottom limit. So right now my bottom limit, my gate is down. We're in state 0. The gate is closed. So the next thing we would do to go to state 1 would be to open the gate. So that puts us into state 1. Once we open it, we got the motor opening. We got a 1 at that. So as soon as we start opening, though, that switch at the bottom is no longer going to be. It's going to get a 0 because it's not hitting that switch anymore. But after a certain amount of time, it's going to hit the top, so it'll hit the top limit, and that will put us into state 2, where the gate is open and we shut off electricity to the opening motor. Alright, so the opening motor turns off, and we are now in state 3, where the gate is open. The open limit switch has a 1. And to go to state 3, we need to hit the close button. The open limit will turn off, motor closing, and we are in state 3. And then once it gets to the gate gets to the bottom, it'll activate the closed limit switch. The closed motor will turn off, and we're back in state 0.